Hey y'all, I'm finally launching my leathercraft 101 classes. I have patterns and build along videos for this course, including a 5-pocket card wallet, a vertical card wallet, a flap and snap gusseted wallet, a money clip, a baseball, a watch strap, and a bifold wallet, with new projects being added monthly. But that's not really the point of the course. The point of the course is to teach you the fundamentals of leathercraft so that you will be self-sufficient and not reliant on pre-made patterns with instructions. I start by going over popular leathers from various tanneries, what they are best suited for, what thicknesses are best for different applications, and my opinions and experience with them. I then go into the various tools used in leathercraft, recommend the best ones, along with how to modify, maintain, and sharpen them. This is probably the most important section because you cannot make nice leather goods if your tools are not sharp, polished, and tailored for their specific tasks. It's just not going to happen. Next up is technique. I show you how to use the tools and execute the necessary actions to make leather goods. I know a lot of y'all will be interested in my advanced burnishing video. Once all that is sorted, I demonstrate patterning a card wallet by hand, starting with just a card and then transferring it to the computer. This will demonstrate the necessary offsets and my patterning theory. Finally, I round out the course with patterns and full build-along videos. Now, you might be thinking, why a subscription? I'm so tired of subscriptions. So am I, believe me. But this is going to be a continuously expanding body of knowledge. I will be frequently adding things going forward. I have discussions available for each section for y'all to ask questions and for clarification, and I'll respond with text as well as video to make sure you understand the concepts introduced. I would really like to have a dialogue back and forth and make this the best leathercraft resource available. In addition to expanding Leathercraft 101, I will be adding sections of my Leathercraft 201 as I complete them, instead of waiting to release them as a whole course. So that way you can keep on learning at your own pace without having to buy another course. I'm very excited to start filming my 201 stuff. I'll go over how to make super nice, high-end, fully lined leather goods, show you all the necessary techniques to keep them thin and refined, and introduce y'all to the wild world of the bell skiver. So if this interests you, go ahead and sign up and start learning. If you think some of your friends may appreciate this, please go ahead and send it over to them. Let's kick this thing off.